Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into something that can truly transform your daily life sharp and focused. So, let's explore 7 simple exercises that can boost your brain power and enhance your concentration. First up is mindfulness meditation. This exercise is all about being present. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Try this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 6 counts. It's fantastic for improving concentration and reducing stress. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at filtering out distractions. Next, we have Jigsaw Puzzles. This activity requires visual spatial reasoning and problem-solving skills. Grab a puzzle and challenge yourself to assemble it. Now, let's talk about dual tasking. This exercise is all about multitasking. Try balancing on one foot while reciting the alphabet or even brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand. Moving on to visualization techniques. Close your eyes and visualize a specific scenario or task in detail. Imagine how you would accomplish it successfully. Our 5th exercise is learning new skills. Dedicate time each day to learn something new, be it a language or a musical instrument. Next up are crossword or Sudoku puzzles. These are great for stimulating logical thinking. And finally, we have physical exercise with cognitive challenges. Engage in activities like walking or jogging while mentally solving problems or counting backward from 100 by 7s. There you have it, 7 simple brain exercises that can make a significant difference in your cognitive health. Incorporate these into your daily routine and watch your focus and brain power soar. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite brain exercises in the comments below.